Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. It is springtime, and our hen has laid eggs, Easter eggs. Let's help her see what's inside. Are you ready to hatch some eggs, hen? Hi, hen. Let's see what's inside this green egg. What could be inside? It is a bus. A bus. We found a bus. Look at the bus. It's a yellow school bus. Okay, hen, what egg should hatch next? She wants the purple egg to hatch. It's a boat. A boat. I see a boat. It's a pink boat. A pink boat. Okay, next egg. Which egg should we hatch? The orange egg. Let's open. It is a bone. We found a bone. A pink bone. Okay, hen. You want the pink egg to hatch? Okay, let's open. It is a bear. Can you see the bear? Bear. 2 eggs left. Let's open this pink egg. We found some beads. Beads. Say it with me. Beads. Beads. We found beads. 1 egg left to hatch. She wants to see what's in the last blue egg. It's a ball. A ball. A bouncy ball. So there was a ball, some beads, a bear, a boat, a bone, and a bus. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Yak Back Pack. Yak Back Pack.